Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm glad to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017 and the question goes thus. From the diagram above, calculate the charge on the 3 microfarad capacitor. And the formula for calculating the charge is Q equals C times V. Okay, so first we need to calculate the total capacitance in this capacitor, and these 3 capacitors are connected in series. So we have 1 over the total capacitors for the capacitors in series is equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, and this is going to give us equals to 7 over 6. At time we'll find the LCM of these 3 fractions, and we're going to result at 7 over 6. Then the total capacitor, we need to invert this, so we're going to end up with 6 over 7. So having got the capacitance for this, then what about the second connection of capacitors which are in parallel? So, and for parallel you just add directly. So if we add 4 plus 4, we have the capacitance here as 8. So we just quickly add that to the previously gotten capacitance, and they will now be in series, so we just add the 2 together, and by the time we add this up, we have mind you, we can just add this up because they are now in series. So this will be 1 over 6 over 7 and plus 1 over 8, and that is to say the capacitance, the new capacitance now, the total new capacitance. Okay, good. And this is going to give us, this we have to be inverted. Alright, so if this is inverted, we have 7 over 6 plus 1 over 8, and we're going to have an LCM of 48. Then this is 56 plus 6, and we'll have 62 over 48. If we cancel out, we have 31, and this we have 24. And remember, we need to invert this to arrive at the final answer. So we have the total capacitance now 24 over 31. So this is what we're going to input in the formula to find the charge. So the capacitance now 24 over 31 times the volt as given in the circuit, 100 volts. Okay. So this is going to give us a final answer, 77 microcoulomb. And to now find out the particular amount of charge that is going to go into the 3 microfarad capacitor, we need to follow a rule that states that when the charge is going back into the capacitor, if the capacitors are in series, it will be the same amount of charge that will pass through all the capacitors. That is to say, 77 microcoulomb will pass through here, same here, okay, and same here. Alright, so we can see clearly that the charge on the microfarad capacitor is 77 microcoulomb. Alright, so D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.